What is up, everybody? You guys are watching Wizard Technology here, and I'm your host, Sam, and we're going to do something actually really cool today for our video, and this is going to be how you can copy any website and see the actual code. So, let's go to Google, and we're going to use Google and YouTube as our examples. So, let's go to Google. Now we're at Google. What we can do is first you can right-click on it anywhere on the screen. It doesn't matter where. Right-click on it, view page source. And then you're going to, once again, I'll show you once again, right-click and view page source. View page info doesn't do that much. It just, cookies, does the permissions. But you can always change that. Anyway, inside the page source, you'll see that you have a lot of code. And this is actual code. So by copying all this code, you will recreate Google. And of course, in this code, you'll see that there are links. And if you go to our web page, if you go to our website building series, you'll see that these are links, href. You can see that this is the link, and if you go to this link, you can copy this page source. So the whole Google page won't show up, because if we want the whole Google page to show up, we have to copy every single link and put that source code in exactly as it's written, and it's just confusing. So we're just going to get what we want from Google just by copying its Google homepage. It won't look the same, but it will look similar. And what we do is we can go into Notepad or any writing thing that you have. So Notepad, and paste this whole entire thing. So again, if you want to select everything, Control A, and then Control C copies, Control V pastes. So then in your Notepad, or I think Apple has something else, you go to Save. And let's save this as google.html. Save it, and now we have saved it. Remember, you want to save it as google.html. And if we run it right now, we see that we have the Google homepage. It's not exactly as it looks because the links, and we don't have the styles. But if you actually click on, let's say, Sam, you can go to the Google Plus homepage. And this is because you don't need the actual link for this. They have the link inside, but it's like any other program. If you're linking it to a different actual site, then you don't need to recopy that page. Also, if you go to images, I believe that it will work, Google Images, and it actually goes to the Google official site. This isn't we didn't copy the page source from this. This is the actual site. If you search hi, you'll see pictures of hi. But anyway, let's go back to our Google site by going back here. And we're going to have a comparison of what's different and what's alike. I don't know why it's doing this. Anyway. Oh, God. Okay, stay. Okay, never mind. Anyway, so let's see the Google comparison like this. So we have that Google and we have that. So we can see that we don't have the style of Google here. We have this Google is actually nice and clean and blue, but we don't have the styles, and that's because the styles are a different link. Also, but we do have the search bar, and if we search anything, it won't do. It says web page not found, and that's just because that's another separate link that Google has. And also, we see that I'm feeling lucky, and the Google search button, and we also can see that we have the Sam, Gmail, images, all that stuff, except we don't have the app toolbar on our Google. We do have the share, and we don't have the notifications, and that's just because I think they are images, and images are saved separately. So now we're going to do the same thing except for YouTube, and let's see, this is going to be quite different actually, because YouTube has most of their page source in CSS. And we'll be going over that in our website series soon enough. So let's just make a new notepad file, paste this, save it, and let's save it as YouTube.html. .html, and click OK. So now we open it, and watch this. This is going to be pretty cool. Let's let it load for a second, and while it loads, we can get the YouTube page like that. So let's take this out, make it 1-by-1 comparison, and let's just try to do it one more time. Okay, so now you see that we have the YouTube compared to each other, and you see what's different and what's alike. Now you see that we have our image that's alike, and this is because the image is actually saved on my computer, not on the YouTube. And also we have my channel just like this. We have if you go to settings, let's just go to settings just for now, and how do I, God, so if we go to settings, we'll see that we have all of this, my channel and stuff. And if we go back to our YouTube, we'll see that we have the same exact thing, my channel, video manager, except this is a style. This whole thing is a style. It's called CSS, Cascading Style Sheet, and that's a different link on YouTube. So again, if you want to click on Google Plus from our YouTube, you can actually go to the actual Google Plus site, and that is basically how you can copy a whole web page, and it works on every single web page. You can view page source on any web page, even if it's a game web page, like let's say Miniclip. I know that's a popular game. Oh, not that. If you go on Miniclip, I know that's a popular web page. You can view page source for this, and you can probably play a game by this, but it won't be obviously the best game, and it might not even show up. But again, this is a site where you can. It's pretty cool. So, thank you guys for watching. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one.